guys, welcome back to the BestBuddies YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a painting known as the thread painting. For this painting you'll be needing paint, you'll be needing a waste sheet, newspaper or anything. You'll be needing thread, a scissor, and you'll also be needing a paintbrush. So I'll show you what the painting is gonna look like after it's finished. So guys, this is how your painting is gonna look like. You're gonna getting all those shades and everything. It's gonna be just like this, but in a few different colors. So you can change the colors. That's your choice. Let's get started. Now, for this, what you're gonna be needing is your book, your sheet of what you're gonna do, the painting on. You'll want to take a thread and measure half of it. Okay, before doing that, I'm just going to fold my a book or my sheet like that. And then I'm going to take measurement of the sheet's length. And then I'm going to make this length half, double this length, which is this much. This much is the double of the length. So I'm going to cut this. So this is the length of your thread. So now what you're going to do is you will want to fold your thread like this, equal. And then you want to fold it again. For having 4 layers on this, you want to have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. And now what you're going to do is put your book aside and take your waste sheet or waste paper. And then you'll just want to lay your piece of string down. And you want to choose your colors. So my colors are going to be green, orange and pink. Pink, orange and green. So these are my colors. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening one color and painting the thread this color. You'll just want to paint this much of pink, this much of orange and this much of green. You'll want to paint it equally. You can see how I'm painting it. You want to paint all 4 pieces of string the same color. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open your other color, and then I'm going to paint this part green and then I'll show you. So guys, over here I have made quarter of this string. Quarter of the string I've made it pink, quarter of it I've made it green, quarter of it I made it orange. I don't know if you can see the string, but it's there. So now what I want you to do is I'm gonna get my book. So guys, here I asked you to fold one sheet. I asked you to fold it to half, right? So take that sheet and then just get your thread. So guys, now you can see the thread over here, and I don't know if you can see it, but I have actually put quarter of each color onto the thread. So now what I want you guys to do is just take the thread and separate it. I have folded it into 4, right? So I just want you to take it and then separate it a little, like so. I want you guys to separate your threads like this. See that? So you'll want to see multicolored wire or thread here. So now let's start making the flower. So guys, now I want you to open your folded sheet. So guys, now I want you to take that thread which we colored, multicolored, and I want you to kind of like place your thread onto the sheet in an S shape. And I also want you to leave a little bit of thread outside to pull. Like this, like that. So I want you guys to leave a little piece of thread outside. Now what you want to do is just fold your sheet like that and kind of press it a little bit inside. You want to like kind of see the thread here, and then now just totally fold your book. Totally fold the whole book. So now you want to kind of like press it a little bit inside. Press, press, press. And now you want to put like a little bit of force on the book while pulling the thread out with the small end. So I don't want you to put too much force or too less force. Put it in like a medium. And then just want to pull the thread up. So you can see the thread here. Okay, so now let's see how it came out. So guys, now let's see the result of, this is not the result. I haven't opened the sheet yet, it's still folded. So now let's just check how it came out. Wow, beautifully. It came out so beautifully. Just look at the texture and everything. You can see those lines and everything on this sheet, and also you try to put it for one, and when you fold it and open it, you'll get the other side too. You'll get it opposite. It's a beautiful artwork. So guys, please try it home, like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you.